advantage of the box-in strategy I shared with you yesterday. As you can see here, SPY is a perfect example of that today. I did have puts from it yesterday after we had this beautiful pattern forming here. I did take some puts last night and I did hold them overnight, and I got stopped out today when they hit the pre-market high right about here. So 936, 937, I took my exit. You know why? Because I gotta obey my rules. My plan is here, so I moved my stop down like I always said. You know, keep it on the 30 minutes. So the last 30-minute high, basically this one, I've got to use the higher in this case because the pre-market is pretty unpredictable. So then once that confirmed it on the first 10-minute candle by 9:35, 9:36, I was taking my exit, my leave, because it just wasn't working out anymore. If you were able to take advantage of the boxing strategy because you didn't have a position in this worked out great for you. As you can see here, it broke high, hit the first pivot, and it continued higher to the second pivot, and it's still continuing higher. So obviously this was a great trade, and if you're following your stops along, like I mentioned before, your first stop would have been the pre-market low. Once the 9:30 candle closed, it would have been moved up to the 9:30. Then you move it up to the pivot and or this 10 o'clock candle. If you want to give yourself more room. But the 10 o'clock candle, obviously, this is where I would suggest you move it because you're following the 30-minute candles. When you're right, and you will continue to be right. And the 30-minute candles will let you know that, of course. And here you go, boom. Now, at this point, you could have started taking your profits on some of your contracts, and then you could have kept holding a little bit, some more. You could also have taken some contracts, some profits here, obviously. But this would have been a little tight since you just got into it. It would have been very, very small. So obviously the targets are going to be these outer pivots for the most part when we're using the pivots as targets, okay? And obviously you can continue to hold a small position now because the move is still going your way. At this point, even though the RSIs are at these extremes, the markets just keep pushing higher and the VIX just keeps pushing lower. I keep getting constant notifications on the tick over 500. Even though it started low, you can see it quickly started trending higher, and now it's pretty much above zero, and it keeps hitting this 500 mark here. So the extremes are clearly on the buying side. People are buying. So you can rest assured, and your position is safe for the most part if you locked in some profits already for the day. And then looking at the daily, you can see here that pretty much a bullish engulfing, and as long as this finishes like this or higher, or pretty much if it stays in the green above this high here from yesterday, you're pretty safe to hold some positions overnight. But on the other hand, you can always just lock in more profits and live to play tomorrow. Hey guys, just wanted to take a moment to congratulate Scott. He was able to execute the box-in strategy today perfectly and was able to lock in a profit of $146 for himself today. Again, guys, following a plan and executing the plan will lead to more successful trades over and over again. If you guys want to see results for yourself, don't forget to sign up and join us in the play-by-play room. Spots are filling up fast, so sign up today. Once again, guys, stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave some comments below. See you next time.